You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French fashion designer, late fashion designer. If you want to learn more fashion brand names, luxury brand names that too many people get absolutely wrong and pronounce them correctly, stay tuned to the channel. Got tons more coming up at the end of the video, and subscribe. André is the French pronunciation of his first name. André, we'll get to how to say it in English. André Courrèges, okay, like C-O-O, Courrèges. The S is silent at the end. If you cannot pronounce French perfectly and say André Courrèges, you can pronounce it in English, the English pronunciation, André Courrèges, okay, not courage, courage, a little bit like courage, almost, Courrèges, André Courrèges, or in French, André Courrèges, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.